In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a picture using the Wix website editor. If you're building a website and want to add a professional touch by combining text and images seamlessly, then this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. You can start by opening your browser and navigating to the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access the editing tools. Once you're in the editor, you'll be greeted by your website layout where you can see all the components you've added so far. Now, let's focus on the image you want the text to wrap around. Simply find the image on your page. If you haven't added one yet, click on the Add button, select Image, and choose the picture you want to include from the media gallery or upload your own. Once you have your image on the page, click on it, and you'll see the image settings pop up where you can make necessary adjustments. With your image set, it's time to add some text. Navigate to the left side panel and click on Add Elements. From there, select Text. This is where you'll find a variety of text styles to choose from. Whether you're looking for headings, titles, or regular text blocks, you can select the style that fits your design. Once you've picked the style, click on it to add it to the page. Once the text box is on your page, you might think, what if I need more than one paragraph? Or how do I continue the text around the image? That's where duplicating text elements comes in handy. Right-click on the text box, and in the context menu that appears, click on Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of your text element that you can then move around to fit the layout you have in mind. Now position your text around the image. Simply click and drag the text boxes to place them where you want them on the page. The goal is to achieve a balanced layout where the text naturally flows around the image, creating an aesthetically pleasing and easy-to-read design. Remember, the arrangement can vary depending on the image size and the amount of text you have. It's all about playing with the layout until it looks just right to you. The Wix editor provides guidelines to help you align your elements perfectly, so make sure to use them to keep everything neat and tidy. And there you have it, a simple way to wrap text around an image on your Wix site. Feel free to experiment with different styles and layouts until you find the look that best suits your website's aesthetic. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.